Hello! Today I will show you all my new remodeled Boeing 737-700. So here it is. This took me 3 hours to build. The cockpit looks like MD-80 cockpit because I copied MD-80 cockpit. The yoke Collison is disabled. It is so weird. Never mind. Those levers for turning on engines, I think that's for decoration. The nose is accurate. I will compare my old 737-600. As you can see, it looks very, very different. The old one is fat, while the new one is accurate. The cabin looks good too. What is this? The back and the tail looks accurate to right. New modeled toilet room. It has a sink and a mirror. Also a new modeled toilet. Pretty cool. Now let's see Casio plane. Yokes. Goofy engine. PF's cabin. It don't even has a toilet room. Goofy back. This plane looks like Casio.
Say it again?
Very chill.
Hey.
No good.
It's too late, bro.
Screw. Okay, let's go back. If you're wondering how I built this plane perfectly, yes, I followed this. That's why I built the airplane frame perfectly. That red 737 is on workshop and it's free. What the Sigma? I almost crashed into my plane. Realistic engines too. Anyways, let's fly. Perfect. I think this is the most realistic takeoff I have ever seen. Unfortunately, it cannot retract gears.
Bruh.
Very realistic takeoff, wow. Also, it FLIs high. It's about to crash.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sorry.
Bruh.
Very satisfying, nice. Add some goofy bombs.
Bruh.
That was laggy. Ouch. This is the B737 that's still not done yet. It's very satisfying when it crashes. Wow, wait. Oh no, an ad.